Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it.
You can use the array filter method to take an array and create a new array from it containing only values from that array that meet certain criteria. The array filter method accepts a callback function that itself accepts the current item, its index, and the array as parameters. And inside that callback function, you should return true if the item should be included in the new array, or false if it shouldn't. In this example, I'm going to call the array filter method on an array of numbers, and I want to return back only numbers who have a value greater than 10. So in my callback function, I'm passing in the current item in the array as an argument. You can call this anything you want, so I could have also called it num or number or something like that. And I'm using the greater than operator to check if the item is greater than 10. And the greater than operator itself returns true or false, so I can return it as is. But this is the equivalent of saying if item is greater than 10, return true, else return false. Because this itself returns true or false, writing this all out is redundant, so we're just going to return the output of that comparison. And what I would expect from this array is a new array for bigger than 10 that has 42, 99, and 101 in it. And if we jump over to the browser and look in the console, you can see that's exactly what I've gotten back.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.